2025. Details regarding the date, location, Jake's opponent, and additional bouts will be shared as soon as they are finalized. We thank Netflix and thank the and they say they appreciate continued support. There's also a plan in place already for fans who have purchased tickets. They say if you purchase tickets via Ticketmaster for the fight, you'll automatically get a refund however you purchase. And then if you purchase to a third
We're not going to be late.
Looked like there was a teenager driving and they just parked here behind me.
Where now meets next.
Yes, I need a sheriff's deputy over here at their trash dump on 25.
And he was in a county car?
He was in a white Ford Explorer,
Okay.
his own personal Leon.
Okay.
So I want him arrested for running at red light and nearly hitting us.
Okay. So I cannot arrest somebody or issue them a traffic violation. It's something I did not witness.
I just know that his license plate was a sheriff's department license plate.
So that's coming back to a personal vehicle. It doesn't come back to a county.
Well, it's an SH plate which says sheriff's department.
Oh, SH does not mean sheriff's office. As you can see,
That's
you want to come out and
It
look at my
has
plate?
this. I know what you're talking about.
Oh, that's going to be fun.
You're not stopping, stop! Hit your brake!
I can't, I'm going, we're going.
Is to this point. The rest of the team includes Jason DeLeon, Emmett Fitzgerald, Christopher Johnson, Vivian Love, Joshua Medina, Jacob Medina,
Holy!
Joe Rosenberg, and
Oh, that guy.
was
Call
created by
911.
Yeah,
Stephen
I'm
Roberts.
calling.
Cut through a cider right now, right in front of Alta Beauty. She just crashed into Alta,
Ladies and gentlemen, go to the Senate to be advised on the treaty. Robert turns him down. Ironically, the Treasury. For I can recommend to you a far cleverer fellow than I am for your Minister of Finance.